Do you know there are 6 popular Amazon business models that sellers use to sell products on Amazon? Now, which one you should use to start your Amazon business? Hello everyone, this is Sakhawat from Ecomclips. Today I am going to break down the 6 most popular business models on Amazon so that you can understand which business model is suitable for you to start your Amazon journey. So, let's get started. The first and most popular business model is Amazon private label. Suppose you want to sell wallets and you find out a well known wallet brand that is already doing great business. So you connect with a manufacturer to create the same product with your brand logo. That's exactly what private label is all about. It's like rebranding or renaming a product with your own special touch. Do you know these familiar brands like Walmart Great Value or Target mainstays? Yep, those are perfect example of private label products, and guess what? Even Amazon has its own private label goodies like Amazon Essentials and Amazon Basics. It's all about putting your unique stamp on something that's already being made. Cool, right? And that's why 54% of sellers use this method to sell on this platform. And it's the most popular business model on Amazon. But private label can be a bit more expensive compared to other Amazon business models. On average, about 61% of private label sellers spend $2,500 or more to get started. It's an investment, but you know what the successful sellers say? You gotta spend money to make money. Let's talk about profits. 56% of private label sellers rake in $5,000 or more in monthly sales. That's some serious cash flow. And 35% of these sellers start seeing profits within the first 6 months of selling on Amazon. Now, you might wonder how long it takes to get started with the private label. Well, it might not be as fast as some other methods, but 48% of private label sellers have their businesses up and running in 3 months or less. And get this, running a private label business doesn't have to eat up all your time. 58% of private label sellers spend less than 20 hours per week on their business, and 15% manage it all in less than 4 hours. At the end of this video, you will find a list of categories that are great for private label business model. Now let's start how to jump on the private label train. You will need to do some research on Amazon product database to find high demand, low competition niches. Then it's time to reach out to a manufacturer and create your unique product. Don't forget to create a snazzy new listing and launch it on Amazon. To make things smoother, most sellers use Amazon FBA program. It's like having a personal assistant. Amazon handles storage, shipping, returns and customer service. Easy peasy. But wait, there are challenges just like any business. For private label sellers, the biggest hurdles are optimizing product listing, finding the right products to sell, managing inventory, tackling Amazon paper service, PPC bids, and gathering those precious product reviews. But don't worry, there are plenty of free educational resources out there in this channel to help you tackle these challenges like a boss. And if you are still confused, just comment below and we will help you in every way possible. The second business model is retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is all about spotting low cost or discount goods in any physical store and reselling them on Amazon. Now you might be wondering how much it costs to dive into the retail arbitrage adventure. Well, good news, it's the most budget friendly way to start your Amazon journey. 49% of retail arbitrage sellers spend less than $1,000 to get started, with 1 in 3 getting their hustle going with less than $500. It's a wallet friendly option. But let's be real, like any business, it's take a bit of time to build up your empire. While retail arbitrage is the least expensive way to start, it also among the least profitable. But don't worry, it's still a money-making opportunity. 62% of retail arbitrage sellers earn less than $5,000 per month on Amazon and 25% make less than $500. Patience is key here. 46% of retail arbitrage sellers take up to 6 months to see those sweet profits rolling in, and 48% of profit margin of less than 20%. Now, if you are eager to get started quickly, retail arbitrage is your go-to method. 41% of sellers say it takes them 6 weeks or less to hit the ground running. And here's the best part, you won't have to spend every working moment on your business. 60% of retail arbitrage sellers spend up to 20 hours per week and 25% manage it in all less than 4 hours. It's the perfect side gig to feed your busy lifestyle. Maybe you are curious about what categories rock in the retail arbitrage world. Home and kitchen takes the lead at 47%, followed by toys and games, books, beauty and personal care, and grocery and gourmet food. So many exciting choices to explore. Now let's uncover the secret to retail arbitrage success on Amazon. All you have to do is scout for fantastic product at the lowest price possible and then list them on Amazon. Easy peasy, right? But there are challenges to conquer as well. Keeping track of finance and managing expenses are on the list. But fear not, you can handle it yourself or we can help you handle it for you. Online arbitrage. Now let's explore the online arbitrage model. Chosen by 24% of Amazon sellers, online arbitrage is similar to retail arbitrage. But instead of physical stores, you search for discount and deals on products from online retailers. For example, during Amazon Prime Day or Black Friday, you might find discounted wireless headphones online. You purchase them and later resell them on Amazon at a higher price. On average, 58% of online arbitrage sellers spend less than $2,500 to get started, and 54% of sellers see profit margin of 16% or higher. Wholesale. Let's shift our focus to another popular option, the wholesale business model, which attracts 26% of Amazon sellers. With wholesale, you buy products in bulk directly from manufacturer and then sell them on Amazon at the regular retail price. For example, if you are interested in the kitchen gadgets business, you could find a reliable supplier to high quality chef knives. You could buy them at a discounted price when you buy it in bulk and then list them on Amazon for the regular retail price. Wholesale is a quicker way to start selling on Amazon because you are leveraging popular products that are already in demand. However, your profit per sale may not be as high because there will be more competition. You also have less control over branding and product customization. On average, 47% of wholesale sellers spend less than $2,500 to get started, and 58% of wholesale sellers have profit margin of less than 20%. So if you are looking for a quick and easy way to start selling on Amazon, wholesale is a good option. But if you are looking to maximize your profit, you may want to consider another model. Dropshipping. Now let's talk about the dropshipping model, which is chosen by 17% of sellers when you act like a middleman between customers and suppliers. Then it can be recognized as dropshipping. For example, if you want to sell trendy phone cases, you would partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles the shipping. So when a customer orders from you on Amazon, your supplier will ship the item directly to them. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping times, as you are not directly handling the products. However, it's important to be mindful of product quality, as you are not the one inspecting the items before they are shipped. On average, 50% of dropshippers spend less than $2,500 to start selling on Amazon, and 48% of dropshippers see profit margin between 11 to 25%. Dropshipping can be a great way to start business with little upfront investment, but it's important to do your research and choose a reliable supplier. Here are a few tips for success in dropshipping. Choose a popular product that is in demand. Do your research on suppliers and find one that has a good reputation. Set competitive prices and offer free shipping. Provide excellent customer service. If you follow these tips, you will be well on your way to success in dropshipping. Handmade. Moving on to another unique model. Handmade, which is ideal for creative individuals who make unique products like jewelry or candles. This model attracts customers who appreciate the personal touch and craftsmanship of handmade items. However, scaling a handmade business can be challenging. 53% of Amazon handmade sellers spend less than $2,500 to start selling on Amazon. However, handmade sellers have better margin on average with 52% earning profit margins between 11 to 25%. In addition to handmade, Amazon offers a number of other business models, including print on demand. These models allow sellers to create and sell products that are printed on demand, such as t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Subscription-based selling. This model allows sellers to offer products or service on subscription basis. Bundling. This model allows sellers to combine multiple products into a single offering. Exclusive distribution. This model allows sellers to sell their products exclusively through Amazon. Wholesale FBA. This model allows sellers to wholesale their product to Amazon, which then sells them on the Amazon marketplace. Each of these models has its own advantages and disadvantages. Sellers should carefully consider their needs and goals before choosing business model. Now the question is, which one is the best model? Ultimately, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. Many successful Amazon sellers have found success using different models, and some even combine multiple approaches. Before you choose any model, thoroughly research and understand each model and analyze your own strengths. Remember, no matter which model you choose, success on Amazon always involves dedication and hard work. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Also, you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, be safe.